Hello, this is Terry. Welcome to my channel. This is my first official talking video. I'm excited. I have some friend mail unboxing for you today from none other than my sweet sister from another Mr. Sharon, otherwise known as Wrinkly Bag Lady. Please support her in any way that you can. Her link will be in my description box, but I will also leave it in the comments. Please go and sub to her and join her wonderful family. I would appreciate it. Anyway, let's get on with this and show you what I got today from Sharon. Hello, and here we are at the unboxing. My lovely sis Sharon sent from her lovely home in South Dakota. I'm very excited to see what we have. Let's get into this. Slippers. Oh, those are so cute. Chocolate. We do not get these here in England. And these are called 100-gram bar. Excited to try them. Pretzel pieces, hot buffalo wing. We definitely don't get these here in the UK, so that'll be nice. Also Snyder's pizza, pretzel pieces rather, sorry, cheddar cheese flavor. And of course Reese's. Gotta love a Reese's. And something I'm very, very excited to try, lemon Oreos. We do not get these here in the UK as far as I know. I have not seen them. So I will definitely let you know how they are. Excited for them. Hershey's Kisses. My childhood favorite, Twizzlers. Yummy. Orange cream pop. Pistachios. Honey roasted. Eye Care Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Mask. Lovely. For self-care, which I will be excited to try. Oreo Minis. And the Everything Bagel Seasoning Blend. Oh, I am so excited to try this with some peppers, cream cheese. I am so excited. Thank you so much. And 2 melatonins, which everyone knows how much trouble this household has to get a good night's sleep. So hopefully this will help, and I'm sure that it will. Thank you so much. Oh, awesome. This is so great. A South Dakota shirt. And sorry for the shakiness, guys. This is my first video. I do apologize. And another South Dakota shirt. Oh, wow. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Sharon. Everyone knows I love a good shirt. And I don't think that she would mind me reading her card. I will share that with you. It says, "Hello, my sweet sis. I hope this note finds you doing well. I truly hope you enjoy your gift box. Don't eat all the lemon Oreos in one day. They are so good. You can't just have one. LOL. Thank you for all your love and support. Let me know when you received this and how you liked or disliked all the items I've sent. I love you the mostest forever. Sharon." Well, Sharon, I love you the mostest forever. And I'm grateful for everything that you sent to me. My first unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will be doing hopefully more talking videos in the future. I'm trying to get some ideas together for some content, so please stay tuned. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. And if you like this video, please give me a like and a comment to let me know that you liked it. And I will see you all in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.